Hi everyone, it's Miss Jo here. Welcome to another day of What's in the Bag. Today we're going to be meeting Zane the zebra, and he's put lots of things in his school bag starting with the sound Z. That sound is made by the letter Z. Are you ready to do what's in the bag? Show me your clapping hands. Here's my school bag. Are you ready? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out what's in the bag. Oh, there's lots of items in here and they all start with Z. Here we go. The first one is zombie. Zombie. All right, let's find out what else is in the bag. Show me your clapping hands. Are you ready? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out what's in my bag. Woo, there's lots of things in here. Oh, here we go. It is zucchini. Do you like to eat zucchini? I like to put zucchini into a frittata. That's when I like to eat zucchini. So we've got zombie, zucchini. Are you ready to find something else in the bag? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's have a look and see what's in the bag this time. It is, a zoo. That's where we can go and visit lots of animals, and sometimes animals that are endangered. So the species might be going out or dying out. We can go and visit endangered species at the zoo. So we've got zombie, zucchini, zoo. Maybe Zane the zebra could help me next and find out what's in the bag. But can you show me your clapping hands and help me too? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can Zane help me? Are you ready, Zane? Can you help me get something out of the bag? Remember, all of the items start with Z. Oh, guess what? He has taken out the picture of himself. What a fantastic picture of you, Zane. I love it. So we've got zombie, zucchini, zoo. Makes your lips tickle, doesn't it? Zebra, when you have to say the Z sound. All right, show me your clapping hands. Let's find something else in the bag. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, hey. This is a zip. We can zip up, we can zip down. You would usually find a zipper on your jacket or on your trousers. See if you can find a zip on some of your clothing. Let's go over our items. Here we go. Zombie, zucchini, zoo, zebra. Do you remember his name? It's Zane. And zip. Can you help me find some more items? Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's have a look. Oh, we have 3 items to go. Oh, now, we have to have a look at this closely. She's in the sun. She's wearing some bathers and she's holding something in her hand. It's called Zinc. Because zinc, you can pop it on your nose or on your face, and it can stop you from getting too burnt in the sun. So we should use zinc on our face if we're going out into the sun. So we've got zinc. Let's check our items. Whoop. Zombie, zucchini, zoo, zebra, zip, zinc. Shall we find out a couple more items in our bag? Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out. Oh, this is a pattern and it's called a zigzag. So it's got two words to the name. Zigzag. Very good. You might see one of these at what we call a zebra crossing. All right, one last item, shall we? Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Lucky last one. Here we go. Oh, it is the number 0. Looks like the letter O, doesn't it? It is the number 0. 0. Let's go over our items. Let's have a look and see what we've got. We've got zombie, and I want you to try and hear the sound at the start of each word because that sound is for the letter Z. Zombie, zucchini, zoo, zebra, zip. This one's a tricky one. Zinc, zigzag, and 0. Did you get all of those? Well done. Thank you for joining me today. My name's Miss Jo. We've learnt about lots of items beginning with the sound for the letter Z. I look forward to seeing you next time.